Faalifu Fai. A side dish from American Samoa. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Dip greater than 1. Fill pot with enough water to completely cover bananas. Step 2. Bring water to a boil, add bananas, cook until tender when poked with a fork. Step 3. Drain water completely when cooked, mix coconut milk, onions and salt to taste. /dip greater than 4. Stir and bring to a boil. Step 4. Bananas are cooked when the coconut milk has changed into a thicker consistency like spaghetti sauce. /div. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.